My name is Nismo Nick, and this is Avondale Nissan. Whether you're looking for an all-new 2024 Nismo Z or a certified pre-owned vehicle, Avondale Nissan has you covered. One thing about Avondale Nissan is you get exactly what you pay for. A brand new Nissan. You don't pay for things like nitrogen in your tires and pinstripes. What is this, the 80s? Here at Avondale Nissan, we literally have you covered from A to Z. From Altima to the brand new Z sports car, we have the Valley's largest selection of brand new Nissans in stock. So if you are looking for a new Nissan, I guarantee you we have it. Now that you've purchased your new vehicle from Avondale Nissan, you're a part of our family. And here in the service department, our job is to make sure that your new car stays running perfectly for years to come. Now, I know shopping for a new Nissan in the Valley, you have a lot of choices, but you should only have really one choice, and that's Avondale Nissan. From Goodyear to Gilbert, we have you covered when it comes to getting your brand new Nissan. And the best part is we don't play any games. It is so easy to just come down here, work with a professional, and get your brand new car easy.